In this video, I'm going to talk about toxins in the air are a real problem. Check out this important information on how to detoxify your lungs. The best ways to detox your lungs naturally. Air pollution, cigarette smoke, and cleaning chemicals are just a few of the things that can affect the lungs. But certain natural remedies may help detox the lungs and potentially help decrease the risk of conditions like cough and cancer. Cancer tends to spread into areas of inflammation. If the lungs have inflammation, they become a target for cancer. Inflammation can also lead to fibrosis. So, we want to focus on natural ways to reduce lung inflammation. When chemicals go into the lungs, they don't stop in the lungs. Chronic exposure to toxins in the air can also lead to problems with the liver and heart. The best remedies to detox the lungs. 1. Milk thistle. 2. Tocotrienols. 3. Vitamin D.